In this video, let's draw a single line in Eclipse. So, in last video, we created Hello World Java project. So, let's close this one and right click here. Let's try to create a new Java project. Draw line and next. Finish. Let's unfold this one. Let's compare with this one. We are using a golden ladder as the, okay, we can use the same package name. So click here, source, and here, new Java package. Dot golden sun dot golden ladder. And with that selected, let's create a new Java class. Draw line. Yeah, let's check this. This is the entry point of our program. Finish. So to draw a line, we need a pop-up window. So let's delete. There's a shortcut key to delete the line. Control D. Yeah. Command D. So undo. So put the cursor there. You don't need to highlight that. Just press Command D to delete that. Okay. So we need let's pop up show a. Let's show a JFrame window first. So JFrame. We don't need yet. Let's use Command space for autocomplete. You see, it automatically imported the class we need here. So give it a name like frame equals new JFrame. Control space. Yeah, the first one. Okay, we can use this one. This constructor, so we can put a title there. Like draw a line, okay, and we end the line with a semicolon. So next one, frame dot set size. Do we have set size? Yes. No, we don't want this one. We can use the second one, set the size. So we can give it, let's use 400 for width and 300 for height. Yeah. And set the visible. Yeah, set the visible. Boolean, true. So let's give it a try. We can Command S to save. Click here to run it. Nice. This is our window, and we can click here to stop it. Now to draw a line, we need a subclass of JPanel. So go here and click this icon to create another new Java class. So panel. Let's use draw line panel as a name. So we'll extend. Oh, JPanel, panel. Yeah, control space to autocomplete, and we'll override a method named paint component. So type paint component. This one. Paint component. Okay. So let's see if G dot draw line, say we'll go from 0, 0 to 100, 200. Not done yet. We need to add this draw line panel class to our JFrame. So let's go back here and create an object of JPanel, a draw line panel. Give a name panel, new draw line panel, and frame dot add panel, and with semicolon, run it. No. So here we need another paint components. So I guess it should be that one. So let's copy this to here, remove that. Now run again. Draw component, JPanel. This doesn't make sense. Do we have to put this one after that? Let's give it a try. Oh, here we are. So we have to put this line after we add the panel into the frame. Cool. So here is the origin of the coordinate system, 0, 0. So here is the ending point. So this is 100, and here is 200, the y, 200, 100, 200. So this coordinate system is different from the one you learn in your math class. So going down, the y is getting bigger and bigger. Okay, cool.